Hello, friends. This is Carlos, and in this session, we're going to be going through how to set up your webhooks in OfferLab. And the reason for this is that you may have integrations, or you may want to do automations in other platforms. How do you receive the information? So, first of all, you're going to come into menu settings, and you're going to see this option in here on the top. You're going to click webhook. Okay. Then you're going to go to the top right, and you're going to click create subscription. The first thing that you need is that you're going to need a simple name. So I'm going to put demo webhook. And this is the URL from the platform that you're using, NAN, Make, Pabbly, anything that you want to use, Hook Deck, whatever it is. And when you paste it there, don't worry, this is going to be deleted. You might think that you're done, because if you click save, when you come down here on the bottom, you see all these options. So you might think, oh, I'm done. And all of a sudden, you don't receive anything. Here's the reason. If you look, it have a number of events available and how many are configured. So you see, let's say collaboration. 0 are configured from the 2 that are available. Or if we come here to order, 0 from the 4 that are available are configured. So where do you configure this? Specifically, just gonna do a very simple one. Here on your webhook, you click edit. What you're gonna do is you're gonna click here, select event to subscribe, because the webhook is not send everything, is what do you want to receive, because whatever you want to do. So for any orders, you're gonna look for order, and it's not order created, it's not order update, it's not order delete. So the only one is order complete. That is when the order is completed, that's when you want to get the information from what they receive. And then you save. Now your demo webhook, you see that in order, it has order complete as check. Now when an order is completed in your OfferLab, you will receive the notification in the other platform. There you have it, my friends. If you have any questions, please let me know.